Today we're diving into the biological purpose of the foreskin, the proven benefits of circumcision, the risks and drawbacks, and when it's medically necessary, not optional. Before we get into it, go ahead and like this video, comment where you're watching from, and subscribe for more practical, science-backed advice to protect your sexual health and confidence. Here's the truth up front. There is no universal better. Some men thrive with foreskin intact. Others experience advantages with circumcision. Your anatomy, personal preferences, and health status all matter. It's not about judgment, it's about understanding your body and making a choice that works for you. Biologically, both conditions can function well, but they carry different benefits and potential risks. Emotionally, how you feel about your body, hygiene, and sexual pleasure also matters. And practically, your daily routine, hygiene, and medical history play a role in the decision. Over my 12 years helping men navigate sexual and urologic health, I've seen one thing consistently. Symptoms are signals, not failures. Decisions about foreskin are personal but should always be evidence-informed. Understanding both sides, the natural foreskin and circumcision, helps men make confident choices without regrets. Now let's explore the facts in detail. Let's talk about the 5 key areas men often overlook or misunderstand when considering foreskin or circumcision. 1. Ignoring the biological functions of the foreskin. The foreskin or prepuce is far more than extra skin. Biological functions: protection, it shields the sensitive glands from friction and environmental irritants. Think of it as a natural sheath. Lubrication, the inner foreskin helps maintain moisture and a healthy balance around the glands, which is particularly important during sex. Sensation, thousands of fine touch nerve endings contribute to arousal and pleasure. Emotional impact. Men who don't understand this may feel disconnected from their body or anxious about sensitivity. Practical impact, daily comfort, masturbation, sexual experience, and personal hygiene can be affected if the foreskin is misunderstood or neglected. Better approach, learn the function, care for it properly, and understand how it interacts with sexual activity and hygiene. 2. Overlooking the benefits of circumcision. Circumcision has been practiced for thousands of years, and modern science has highlighted real health advantages. 1. Hygiene, easier to clean, less risk of smegma buildup, the natural combination of skin cells and oils. Reduces odor, irritation, and minor infections. 2. Lower infection risk. Moisture under the foreskin can trap bacteria, leading to balanopostitis, inflammation of the glands and foreskin. Infant circumcision reduces the risk of urinary tract infections significantly in the first year. 3rd, STI reduction. Large trials show circumcision lowers HIV transmission risk by up to 60% in heterosexual men. Also reduces HPV, genital herpes, and genital wart risks. 4. Reduced risk of penile cancer. Though rare, circumcision lowers chronic inflammation and infection, which are risk factors for penile cancer. Emotional impact. Men may feel more confident in hygiene and protection. Practical impact. Reduced worry about infections, easier daily maintenance, and potentially lowered long-term medical risks. 3. Underestimating the drawbacks. Circumcision is surgery, and it carries potential risks: pain during healing, bleeding or infection at the incision site. Aesthetic concerns: too much or too little skin removed, rare complications requiring revision, changes in sensation, the glands may thicken over time, slightly reducing sensitivity, loss of natural lubrication and protective covering, biological impact, altered tactile experience, keratinization of the glands, emotional impact. Some men may experience reduced pleasure or feel different about their sexual identity. Practical impact may require adjustment in sexual activity or care routines post-surgery. Better approach. Understand that circumcision is a trade-off. Some men gain hygiene and protection, some may notice changes in sensation. 4. Failing to recognize medical necessity. Sometimes circumcision isn't a choice, it's a medical requirement. Phimosis. Foreskin too tight to retract, causing pain, infections, or hygiene issues. Paraphimosis. Retracted foreskin stuck behind the glands, cutting off circulation, an emergency. Chronic infections that don't respond to treatment. Emotional impact, anxiety, discomfort, or fear during sexual activity. Practical impact, pain, infection risk, and difficulty maintaining erections or performing hygiene properly. Better approach: if you experience any of these conditions, consult a urologist promptly. Early intervention prevents complications. 5. Making decisions without evidence or personal reflection. Men often rely on cultural norms, peer advice, or incomplete information. Biological impact: you might overlook health advantages or ignore symptoms. Emotional impact: regret or dissatisfaction with your body. Practical impact: poorly informed decisions can lead to unnecessary procedures or missed opportunities to protect sexual health. Better approach: evaluate personal health, preferences, sexual comfort, and hygiene. Consult a qualified urologist for a physical exam and personalized advice. Consider long-term lifestyle factors, not just surgery. Here's a clear decision framework for foreskin versus circumcision. Understand anatomy and function. Know what the foreskin does biologically, emotionally, and practically. Evaluate health benefits: hygiene, infection risk, STI protection, penile cancer risk. Consider drawbacks: surgical risks, potential sensation changes, recovery time. Identify medical necessity: phimosis, paraphimosis, chronic infections. Make a personal, informed choice. Balance your body, comfort, culture, and values. Daily habits for long-term sexual health. Maintain hygiene and skin health regardless of circumcision status. Support circulation with exercise, hydration, and healthy diet. Protect sleep and hormone balance. Reduce stress through breathing, relaxation, and mindfulness. Gentlemen, remember, there is no wrong choice. Foreskin intact, respect it, care for it, understand its functions. Circumcised, appreciate the advantages, and learn to adapt to changes in sensation. Sexual confidence, pleasure, and health are about understanding your body and supporting it, not fitting a standard. If you experience tightness, discomfort, recurring infections, or uncertainty, seeing a urologist is a proactive step, not a failure. Here's the takeaway: the foreskin has biological value. Circumcision offers scientifically supported health benefits. Both carry risks and trade-offs. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, only an informed personal decision. To support overall sexual health beyond circumcision, I've linked a science-backed natural method for restoring blood flow and function in the pinned comment. No pills, no invasive procedures, just consistent, simple habits.